So this is our setup too, suitable for online classes and YouTube. For this video we will use 4 products: Digitech tripod as our camera stand, Fingers web camera for our main camera, Sony headphones as our audio output, and Boya microphone for our audio input. Let's start with the camera stand, that is the Digitech tripod. To be specific, it is a Digitech DTR 550 LT tripod. As you can see, it is really lightweight. Furthermore, it is easy to set up and easy to use. You can see that it has 2 locks on each of its leg. That means it triples its original height. To set it up, just open the lock, pull out a leg and close the lock. Do this for each of its legs. Then spread the legs and there you have it. You can also bring additional height using this lever. Adjusting this tripod is a child's play. And the best thing about this tripod is that it comes with a quick release plate. Overall, it has a nice build and is sturdy. Now let's see our camera, that is the Fingers high resolution webcam. It is a really cool camera. It captures ultra-wide images. It records or streams in 1080p. And the best thing about this camera is that it easily attaches to the tripod shown previously. To set it up, just remove the quick release plate from the tripod. Screw it gently to the base of the camera as shown in the video. And then slide the quick release plate along with the camera back into the tripod. And that's all it takes to set this camera. Another cool thing is that you can adjust it without actually moving the tripod. And just for the note, this is a USB camera. For our audio output, we will use Sony headphones. Specifically, Sony MDR XB450 extra bass headphones. These headphones have 30mm drivers which produce powerful bass. And the cord length is 1.2 meters, which is more than enough. These headphones are foldable also. The ear pads are cushioned for extra comfort. And of course, these headphones come with a 3.5mm jack. For our audio input, we will use Boya microphone. Boya BY-M1 to be specific. This is an all-rounder microphone. You can use it with cameras, mobile phones and desktop devices also. It is an omnidirectional mic, so you don't have to worry about background noise. The cable length is 20 feet, which is enough. To set it up, just clip it to the upper part of your clothing. And that's all. Let's see the whole setup in action. Here we have our guy busy in an online meeting. He's using the Fingers high resolution webcam along with the Digitech tripod, Sony headphones and of course the Boya microphone. So this is our setup 1, suitable for online class and YouTube. This video is made possible by Messrs. Altaf H. Wali, the electronic megastore. To get all the products shown in this video, contact them on this phone number or reach them on Instagram with the given ID. They have the complete range of electronic gadgets and accessories required for audio and video conferencing. Thank you for watching this video by Crossbeats. Don't forget to subscribe and like. This is our Instagram and our website. Reach us through either of those for detailed setup consultancy or for our other services, which are photography classes, photo tours, photography and videography.